Hello children, last day I had given you a video on the diagrams from the chapter climate, Indian monsoon. So today I am going to give you some more diagrams from that chapter but on a different topic, that is features of Indian climate. So the first diagram that is shown over here, it shows the how diversity helps. Diversity is a part of Indian climate. See, we find all types of climatic condition in our country, like desert type of climate, temperate type of climate, mountain type of climate, then tropical type of climate. So the areas are shown and the diagram is drawn accordingly. So third desert is shown for the desert type of climate, and the 22.5 degree demarcates the desert, the tropical from the temperate region. So the part below it is the tropical climate and the part above is the temperate climate. Now next, in the second diagram, the tropical monsoon type of climate, which is a feature of Indian climate, is shown how the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch are divided, and the Arabian Sea branch hits the western Ghat through the eastern Ghat. Okay, now in this, the tropical cyclone over Bay of Bengal is shown. See over here, we can see the low pressure develops as the tropical cyclone develops in this area in the Bay of Bengal during the retreating monsoon period, and how the jet stream, the cold winds are entering, and when they flow over the sea they form this depression, the tropical depression, and this occurs between October to November with the arrival of the winter. In the next diagram, we can see the occurrence of winter rainfall, which is also a part of Indian climate, feature of Indian climate. And occurrence of winter rainfall is mainly because of the jet stream that comes from the Mediterranean Sea, which we say as western disturbance. It gets divided into two branch, the easterly jet and the westerly jet, and the easterly jet provides rainfall to the Punjab region. Westerly jet blows over the Bay of Bengal, where it collects moisture and provides winter rainfall to the Tamil Nadu coast. Next, the four distinct season: the summer, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon, and the winter season, which is the feature of the Indian climate. Over here we have no diagram to show. In the next diagram we will move to seasons. So the cold season, during this period we find the western disturbance, the high pressure in the northern part, and the low pressure over the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So the temperature is lower in the northern part and the pressure over is high. The wind blows from land to sea, that is from high pressure to low pressure, and when it flows over the sea, it picks up moisture and causes winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu coast. The Punjab region also gets winter rainfall from the westerly jet stream. Next diagram shows the summer or the hot season, which shows the low pressure region in the Thar desert, and the the temperature is very high over there, so that causes the low pressure, and the monsoon winds are entering in the form of two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The third diagram shows the monsoon season, where the Arabian Sea branch is hitting the western Ghat, and the Bay of Bengal branch is moving towards the Bay of Bengal branch will hit the Meghalaya, cause rainfall in the Meghalaya region, and then it will move through the Ganga valley and reach the north. So there are two branches, how they provide rainfall during the monsoon season. Their path, their movement is shown through this diagram. So these diagrams will help you to give if you give these diagrams beside your answer, just with your answer, if you combine these diagrams, you will be able to fetch good marks along with this you can also show the diagram for the retreating monsoon, during which the October heat is important and the dry air comes from the northeastern side, and while they blow over the Bay of Bengal, they collect moisture and causes rainfall in the Tamil Nadu coast, and the low pressure is developed over the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So this is for the retreating monsoon. And in the characteristics of monsoon, in the orographic nature of monsoon, you can show the diagram of a mountain and the windward side and the leeward side, and how the rain is occurring on the windward side. So these are a few small diagrams which you can accompany with your answer. This will not give you the answer, but this can be accompanied with your answer to fetch you good marks. So a student who is just writing answer and a student who is giving a diagram with the answer will obviously get more marks. Okay, so these were the diagrams from climate. In I will try to give you more diagrams from the other related chapters in my next video. In the meantime, if you like my channel, please subscribe and give a like to the video.